It's dolphin time! Strap in for fun and adventure. We're going to learn about dolphins. The first thing we want to learn about dolphins is that dolphins are mammals that spend their lives in the water. A lot of times when people think of mammals, they think of land animals, but dolphins are mammals even though they spend their lives in the water. Mammals that spend part or all of their lives in the water are called aquatic mammals. Dolphins are aquatic mammals. Dolphins are mammals, and here are just 3 of the reasons why we consider dolphins mammals. The first reason we're going to share is that they breathe air. It's true, they breathe air. Fish breathe through gills, but dolphins have to come to the surface to breathe air, and they use their lungs to breathe air, just like we do. Also, mothers produce milk for their young. Fish don't do that. That's something mammals do. So dolphins are definitely mammals because their mothers produce milk for their young. Dolphins are also warm-blooded like other mammals, and they're not cold-blooded like fish are. When you're warm-blooded, that means that your body maintains a fairly constant body temperature above your surroundings. Instead of having the same temperature as the outside world, you have a constant body temperature. There are more reasons too, like the fact that dolphins give live birth to their young. They don't lay eggs like fish do. They give live birth just like human beings do and other mammals do. Aw, dolphin family. So dolphins are aquatic mammals. That's pretty awesome. Just like other mammals, dolphins need water, but they can't drink the water around them because they're usually in salt water, right? So they get all the water they need from the fish they eat. They love eating fish. Do you like eating fish? Yeah, fish is pretty tasty, you know? We kind of eat like dolphins, right? This is interesting. A group of dolphins is called a pod or a school. Do you recognize that term school? That's what a group of fish is called. So you could call a group of dolphins a pod or a school. Now this is fascinating. You could really impress a lot of people by sharing this fact with them. Did you know male dolphins are called bulls? They're called bulls. Wow. I wouldn't think they would be called a bull, but they are. Male dolphins are called bulls. It gets even more strange. You see, female dolphins are called cows. Not all cows say moo, you know. Female dolphins are called cows. And young dolphins are called calves. You might say, why? What's the reason? We don't know. We're not in charge of this stuff. We just share the knowledge with you, okay? Something you might not realize about dolphins is just how smart they are. Sometimes we've seen footage of how they learn tricks very quickly. They do learn things very quickly, but they can even mimic speech patterns. They are incredibly smart. Their brains are huge for the size of their bodies, and they just have a lot going on. They're really smart. Dolphins are not only smart, they're also incredibly sweet, and they're capable of empathizing with other creatures. To empathize means to understand and share the feelings of someone else. Dolphins are not only smart, they're not only caring, but they're also so cute. I mean, dolphins are just amazing, aren't they? Thanks for watching this Homeschool Pop video on dolphins. Next time you spot a dolphin, you could say, wow, those are amazing aquatic mammals. They're so smart, they're so sweet, they're so cute. They are so awesome. And why are the males called bulls, the females called cows, and the young dolphins called calves? Who knows, but you learned some cool facts and you should share them with others.